Hey Kaleo, my name is Lee Turbianic. I spoke with Jason this morning regarding your guys' website. And my name is Lee Turbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you guys can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds. And the answer is, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Lee, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me go over 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. The first thing I want to go over is content. So it all has to be unique content. It can't be copied from anywhere. Google will flag your site for plagiarism. But Google likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage. And as we scroll down on your homepage here, you guys do have content. So any words that you're seeing, all words here, it's all considered content. And even these pictures and what they're saved as is considered content. Most SEO companies don't know this, but when you click Save As, you would want to save these pictures like this is popping up as a, actually you can't see that, but it's popping up as a licensed plumbing contractor. So you'd want to save that as one of your keywords, which is what we're going to get into shortly as well too. So the more keywords you have saved as pictures, it goes better for your rankings and just kind of correlates you and your business towards your people that are looking for your services. So like I said, you guys maybe have 500-600 words on your home page. So I wanted to see what your competition has. So I just typed in plumber Beaverton, Oregon, and as we scroll down, you could see that beavertonplumbing.com is in first place. So let's see what kind of content they have. So they have content here, some content there, but nowhere near the 1,500 that Google likes to see. You got to think, Google is just a crawling website and all it can do is read. So all the information on your page is very detrimental to Google ranking you according to. The more information, the better for your viewers and for your people who are looking for you guys as a plumber to hire you for their services. So go out and get that 1,500 words with the keywords, which we're going to go over shortly, and place them through strategically, and you will beat them in that aspect. Second thing, let's go over this Google homepage here. So I still have the plumber Beaverton, Oregon. This top section is this Google guarantee or ads. It's usually cost per click to be up here. It can get very pricey, so to speak, if you don't run them correctly. So I want to focus more or less on the organic side, which is this Google Map Pack or Google Business Listing, and the organic section, which is down here, which deals with your website. So what ranks you in this GMB section is called a citation. So you're probably wondering, what the heck's a citation? Citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in like the Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook, YouTube. There's tons of them, but some of them are spammy, so you want to go after the strong ones. Now I have a paid tool that I use to find out what kind of citations the top guy has. So as you can see, you are not in this top 3 for this keyword, so it is going to hurt your traffic to your website. I know this is where I go when I'm trying to hire somebody, so if you're not in this top 3, that's going to affect you greatly. But I wanted to see how many this top guy had, Excellence Plumbing. I want to see how many citations he has. So I put in his information into this local citation finder, and he only has 35 citations to claim that top spot. So the good part about this tool is this shows all his sources. As you can see, citation sources for Excellent Plumbing, Beaverton, Oregon. All these sources is where he is getting his citations from. So we can go ahead, and it's saying submittable. We can go and submit all these for your business. We know it's working for him. It'll work for you. And then we go out and add 100, 200 more to your business listing, go up above him in the map pack, get in this top 3. And also that's going to get your name out there in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for a plumber or any service that they're trying to get in the plumbing field. So that's the GMB. Now this third thing, This is the organic section, and this deals directly with your website. And as you can see, beavertonplumbing.com is in first place. Yelp, that's the directory. Angie.com, then Woofers Heating, Home Advisor. I'm not seeing you on the first page for plumber Beaverton, Oregon, which is huge. That's a main keyword. So Beaverton Plumbing is in first. Now I have another tool I use. This is called Ahrefs. Now this shows me a back end of all your stats. So I plugged in allproplumbingpdx.com in, and it's showing me your scores of 29 and 4. You have 159 referring domains, giving you 990 backlinks. So backlinks in this world are important and is what Google loves to see. Now you're probably wondering, what's a backlink? So a backlink is when one website links back to another website via hyperlink. So the more backlinks you have from other websites pointing back to your website, in Google's eyes, that's votes. So, and you want relevant sites pointing back to you. If Pizza Hut were to give you guys a backlink, it's not going to transfer as much power as, say, another plumbing company or something that has to deal with the same type of services that you guys offer. Because you guys don't sling pizzas for a living, you guys are plumbers. So we want to get relevant backlinks, and it's showing me you have 159 referring domains, but the only powerful ones you guys have are these do follow links, and you only have 96 of them. So let's look at your competitor, who was in first place, Beaverton Plumbing. So you guys had a 29.4, 159. They have a 36 and an 8, so they're not far ahead of you. And as you can see, they only have 134 referring domains, giving them a little bit more backlinks than you have, but theirs are more than likely more powerful than you guys. So that's why they're ranking up there, bringing in a lot more traffic. But the good part about this is we can go to their do follow links, see where they're getting all of their links from, and go and submit for your business, just like what we did with the citations. So it's not hard to go up above these guys. It's just a little bit of work. But I want to touch base on some keywords too for you guys. So let's go back to this Beaverton Plumbing and see what kind of keywords are in your area and how much searches that these keywords are getting that you're missing out on by not ranking on the first page. So look at this, Beaverton Plumbing, 600. Now this is going to show me the keyword, which is what people type each and every month. This is a monthly figure. Search represents the average monthly number. So this is what people are typing into the Google search bar, how many times a month, and how hard it is to rank for that keyword. Now 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. So Beaverton Plumbing is being typed 600 times a month. That means 600 people are looking for a Beaverton Plumbing each and every month. So that's just off of one keyword. So he's in first place. He's getting almost 80 people to his website. That's 80 jobs he's getting just off of having this keyword. So another one, Beaverton Plumbing, 600. Plumber Beaverton OR, that's 250 volume each month. Beaverton Plumbers with the S, 100. Plumber Beaverton, 70. Now this is just Beaverton. Let's see what else there is out here. Plumbers in Sherwood, 400 searches a month with a 0 KD, and he's in 11th position. We know we can beat him, so we would be gaining a lot of traffic from these keywords. Let's go down some more. 200. Plumbers Tigard, 200 searches. Plumber Tigard OR, 70 and 0. So that's what we want to target, is these high volume, low KD keywords, and we put them throughout that 1,500 words on your homepage. So when someone types it, Google recognizes it in your content. We'd want it as a heading. We want it in here and in your content. The more places, the better. So Google can link it to you. And then if you have the correct backlinks to power your site up above whoever else you're competing with, which at the moment is this beavertonplumbing.com, then you're going to get that business. So let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing was content. Your homepage needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content with those keywords we went throughout. You could put one for every 100 words so you don't get caught for keyword stuffing. The second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I suggest getting 100, 200, get up in this top 3, and you're going to see a drastic change in traffic to your website. Third thing was link juice or backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember, so I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Kaleo, and you have a great service desk guy there, Jason, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Hope you have a great day. My contact information is going to be in the email. Drop a line, let me know what you thought of the video, and I'm here for any questions and to speak further. Thank you.